Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on this device. Alright, so to do this, obviously first you have to open Google Photos. Now right here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, and here, as you can see at the bottom, we have this edit button that we have to click on. Here we have some suggestions from Google Photos that what we can do with this photo. This here in the crop section, we can crop the photo or rotate it like this. Here we have some tools like Unblur and Magic Eraser. We can adjust brightness, contrast, white point, HDR effect that we have to install, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen, denoise, and that's it. Here we have some filters. As you can see, there are many of them. Here we can mark up the photo with pen, and now we can save it as a copy. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!